I think he's gonna blow.
Dr. Soxon! Farmer Paisley! We've got to get out of here!
Hello? Emergency? Send help. He's gonna blow.
Aldo?
Out of here! BB! I gotta get out of here!
We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that has never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods. We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods. We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods. We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods. We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods. We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods. We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods. We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods. We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods. We need to sneeze. The biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre woods.
Oh, that stings.
Ah, dang.
We're having a ball now.
Piglet. Stuff and fluff.